Hey there, Java developers. Welcome back to GLO TECH. Today, we're diving into the world of Java comments, an essential part of writing clear and maintainable code. So, what are comments in Java? Simply put, comments are lines in your code that are ignored by the Java compiler. They don't affect your program's execution, but are crucial for making your code more readable and understandable. You can use comments to explain complex code sections, temporarily disable lines for debugging, provide information about a code block, and improve collaboration by documenting changes for your team. Now let's talk about the three main types of comments in Java. First up, single-line comments. These start with two forward slashes, // Everything after // on that line is ignored by Java. Example, // This is a single-line comment, system out.println hello world, // this prints hello world. Use single-line comments for short explanations or quick notes. Next, multi-line comments. These start with, everything between these symbols is ignored by Java. Example, system out, println, hello world. Use multi-line comments for longer explanations or to temporarily disable multiple lines of code. Finally, we have Java.comments. These start with WA. They're used to generate documentation for your methods, classes, and variables. Example, /**. This class demonstrates comments in Java. At author GLO TECH, at version 1.0. Use Java.comments when writing API documentation or creating Java classes for other developers. Now let's discuss some best practices for using comments. Keep your comments short and to the point. Explain why something is done, not what is being done. Avoid over-commenting. Too many comments can clutter your code. Use consistent formatting for comments across your project. In conclusion, Java comments are a powerful tool for writing clean and maintainable code. Whether using single-line, multi-line, or Java.comments, knowing how and when to use them will make you a better Java programmer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for our next tutorial on Java variables and data types. See you in the next video.